this is your host Ms. Avika Kumar, and today we are back again with some exclusive information, few personal WhatsApp chats, not of Bollywood actors, but this time of physiology students. And one name was common in all of those chats which we found, which were mostly of toppers, and that was Mr. Gaitonde Guénon. Now we are trying to connect with them and trying to ask them who is he, who is Gaitonde Guénon. But till we try to connect them, you guys stay tuned because we have for you an amazing set of physiology quiz which we will be playing right now live. So stay tuned. Yes, so hello and welcome to the Physics Quiz. It's fun while you learn. Before we start with the quiz, you'll have to know that you need to guess the name from the images or the given clues. The name may be either of any disease, cell, structure, organ, process, sign, any effect or any element which is related to physiology. Okay, so the first clue is here. This one is a hormone and it goes somewhat like this. A calculator plus 1 ton plus jury is in. Calci-ton in. So the hormone is calcitonin. That's the right answer. So let's go ahead. What we have on our screens is a syndrome. Lamb plus ert plus the guy is eating. So eat plus on. So lamb, ert, eaten. So the answer is Lambert-Eaton syndrome. Moving on to the next thing. This one is a principle and as you can see the guy in this picture is Dale Steyn. So the name itself Dale suggests as the principle, which is vasomotor reversal of Dale or Dale's principle. Now let's guess this effect. So this is wolf plus tea or chai plus coffee. So wolf, chai, coffee. Wolff-Chaikoff effect is the correct answer. The next question here is pretty easy and simple. This is a disease. Sickle plus cell, that is sickle cell anemia. Okay, so this one over here is a syndrome and he is none other than our Honorable Prime Minister. So PM plus S is equal to premenstrual syndrome, which is the correct answer. The next one is a cell. So a plate plus synonym of delayed. Now what can be the synonym of delayed? Let us take it as late. So plate plus late, that is equal to platelet. For our next question, we have a sign to guess. And what is this? Jaw plus N plus dish. Yeah, pretty easy. Jaundice. So jaundice is the right answer. The next one over here is a disease which has led to the worldwide pandemic. But before that, let's just try to guess this one. A gaseous neurotransmitter. It is CO or carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide plus VIN-19. That is the disease itself, COVID-19. For this clue, which is a disease, this picture was specially taken from MS Dhoni's bike collection. So as the name suggests, it is the Kawasaki disease and it is also reportedly associated with COVID-19 in children. The next one is pretty interesting over here. It's a sign. So you can see the Colosseum, that is the Colosseum at Rome plus burger. Now can you guess this as a sign? Rome plus burger. It is the Romba sign. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Moving on to the next one, wow, it's pretty amazing. She is none other than Hema Malini. She's so gorgeous. So Hema plus, well, this one is a process. So Hema plus stove plus paw plus what you can see over here is an oasis. So Hema plus paw, toe plus oasis, that is hematopoiesis is the correct answer. Excellent. This one is also pretty easy. It's an organ. So pan plus crease, that is pancreas. Now this one is the last one for today, that is an X which is on top of the hill plus a log. So X on hill plus log, which is the axon hillock. It's a structure, axon hillock. So thank you for watching with us and joining us for the quiz. Stay tuned for more quizzes with us. Yes, Mr. Backbencher, which book? Bamboolingam. But it was something like Gaitonde Guénon, right? What is this Bamboolingam? Hello. So nation, I am as curious as you all are that what is this Bamboolingam and what is this Gaitonde Guénon? Well, we are not aware about that yet, but we'll be right back with our next episode of Physiology Minutes. Till then, you guys stay safe, stay tuned and keep watching Physiology Times. This is your host Avika Kumar signing off.